In this video, I'm going to find the same difference that I found in the equal additions video and in the left to right subtraction video, this time using the comparison to nines algorithm. This one's unique in that we don't start by stacking our numbers, and in fact there's really 4 separate calculations that we're going to need to do for this algorithm. The first calculation is for us to take a number that has as many digits as our subtrahend, as the amount that we're removing, and create a number that's all nines with the exact same digits. So we will be subtracting something that has ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, so the all nines number will have 9 thousands, 9 hundreds, 9 tens, and 9 ones. And that's what we're going to subtract 1897 from. The whole point of the comparison to nines algorithm is that it makes it so that you don't have to borrow. We can always subtract from an all nines number without borrowing, and in fact we can even do this mentally. 9,000 minus 1,000 is 8,000, 900 minus 800 is 100, 9 tens minus 9 tens leaves no tens, 9 ones minus 2 ones leaves, minus 7 ones leaves 2 ones. The first step then is now completed. The second step, we're now taking that difference that we found, that 8,102, and we're going to add on our minuend. We're going to add on the 3,561. And you could do that in whatever way you'd like. You can use the standard algorithm, you could use left to right addition. Doesn't really matter. I'll do left to right for fun. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 plus 5 is 6, 0 plus 6 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have our sum now at the second step, 11,663. The third step is for us to take that sum that we've just calculated, and we're going to subtract, and what we're going to subtract is one more than our all nines number. The all nines number was 9,999, and one more than that would be 10,000. So I'll be subtracting 10,000 from my sum that I just found. And again, this is a subtraction that I can do mentally. There's no borrowing that will need to occur here for me to be able to do that subtraction. 1,663. And the last step is for us to take that difference that we just found, the 1,663, and for us to add 1 onto it, giving us 1,664. This final sum is the answer to our original question, that 3,561 minus 1,897 has that difference, 1,664. The reason why the algorithm works is essentially we are adding in an amount and then removing it. Notice that we've added in an extra 9,999 at the beginning. We add an extra 1 in later on, so we've added in 10,000 in total. And we also removed the 10,000. So the extra steps that we've added in, the extra 9,999, the extra 1, the extra 10,000 that we're removing, they cancel each other out. And what are we left with? The removal of 1897 and the adding on of 3,561. Essentially, this is just a kind of a compensation strategy. We're just transforming the original problem into one that's easier for us to calculate, one where the 2 subtractions that we need to do don't require any borrowing.